What is rapid financing instrument? As we understood in our previous lecture, there are two terms, rapid credit facility versus the rapid financing instrument. Rapid financing instrument is applicable to non-PRGT nations. That means nations which are not eligible for poverty reduction and growth trust. However, rapid credit facility goes to low-income nations which are eligible for poverty reduction and growth trust. Now, the RFI, which is Rapid Financing Instrument, is a qualifying financial assistance to the nations which are in distress, and there is a possibility that if these nations are not financed, they could in future lead to severe economic disruption and that could hamper their economies. Now, this could be because of internal instability, it could be because of emergencies, food shock, or any other related reasons. As we understood, under the rapid credit finance facility, there are 4 reasons through which this could happen. Under RFI, there are 3 reasons which could open a window for rapid financing instrument. And what are those 3 windows? One is the regular window, which is because of the urgent balance of payment crisis. The imports swell up in contrast to exports, a natural disaster which affected the country all of the sudden, or a food shock which is because of food insecurity or growing cereal imports. Those would be the reason for urgent economic disruption, and there are these 3 windows which are applicable under RFI. However, under RCF there were 4 windows, one of which is missing here is the exogenous shock window. So exogenous shock window belong to the rapid credit facility. However, under rapid financing instruments, there are just 3 options which can lead to this issue. Again, as we understood that rapid credit facility goes to the poverty reduction and growth trust eligible nations. However, the non-PRGT nations would be eligible for rapid financing instrument. Now, as we said, under rapid credit facility, there is 0% interest with a grace period of 5.5 years and a maturity period up to 10 years. In case of rapid financing instrument, there are financial terms, for example, flexible credit limit, standby agreements, and the loan must be repaid somewhere between 3.25 years to 5 years. That means beyond 5 years it could not extend in case of a nation which is not under a category of low income country. If the country lies under LICs or the low income category countries, in that case the country would be eligible for a rapid credit facility which is at a 0% interest. So that's the major difference that is between the two facilities. Both of them extremely important in light of the growing and looming recessions across the world. So this is one of the very important lectures of economics, a very probable question. We'll be covering many such interesting topics in economics. Stay tuned.